episode 9 of Just News. This episode was recorded on Thursday, the 24th of October, and covers the news of the day. As the name of the podcast suggests, what you'll hear next is just a roundup of the important news without analysis or opinion. Let's get started. World markets. Item 1. The European Central Bank kept policy rates steady in its latest monetary policy meeting. Minutes of the meeting revealed that the bank expects to keep rates low for the foreseeable future. Item 2. In the US, orders of consumer durable goods fell 1.1% in September. This indicator is a proxy for manufacturing activity, which has been weak in America in recent times. Item 3. Japan's manufacturing activity fell to a 3-year low in October as new factory orders contracted. The country's services sector also saw a sharp fall, although the sector is still expanding. Item 4. The Eurozone's manufacturing sector saw marginal growth in October, but it was lower than expected by analysts. Item 5. Google has claimed that it has achieved a significant milestone in developing a functional quantum computer. The company said that its experimental quantum computer solved a particular complex problem in just 200 seconds. Any existing supercomputer would take 10,000 years to solve the same problem. IBM later disputed Google's claims. India geopolitical news. Item 1. Election results in Maharashtra and Haryana were unexpected, as BJP and its allies performed worse than was suggested by exit polls. In Maharashtra, while the BJP-Shiv Sena alliance will retain power, its share of seats has declined considerably. In Haryana, BJP failed to win a majority, and there is a chance of a hung assembly. Item 2. India and Pakistan signed an agreement on the Kartarpur corridor. This will allow Sikh pilgrims to visit 2 shrines in Pakistan without a visa. However, the pilgrims will still need to purchase a $20 permit for the visit. Item 3. The central government has legitimized over 1,700 unauthorized colonies in Delhi. This is seen as a populist move to target the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. India economy. Item 1. India rose 14 places in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business rankings. Coming in at 63rd place, India improved in bankruptcy resolution and issuance of construction permits. Item 2. The Supreme Court has ruled that the government's definition of adjusted gross revenue in the telecom sector is correct. The government's definition is broader than that of telecom firms. Since the telecom sector pays charges and fees to the government as a percentage of adjusted gross revenue, the ruling means that it now owes the government an additional Rs 92,000 crores. India regulatory. The only item. The government has relaxed rules for opening new fuel stations in the country. Until recently, any company looking to market fuel in India needed to invest at least Rs 2,000 crores in the domestic oil and gas sector to receive a license. This requirement has been waived, and instead, any company with a net worth of at least Rs 250 crores will be eligible for a license. India companies. Item 1. Indigo Airlines reported a net loss of Rs 1,066 crores in the quarter ended September. This was as compared to a net loss of Rs 652 crores in the same period last fiscal. The higher loss was due to a sharp increase in expenses and sluggish growth in passenger traffic. Item 2. India's largest auto company, Maruti Suzuki, reported a net profit of Rs 1,358 crores in the quarter ended September. However, this was a 39% year-on-year decline. Item 3. Reports suggested that audit firm KPMG has discovered misuse of funds in its audit of troubled home finance company DHFL. India markets. As of market close on 24th October, the Nifty was at 11,582 points, down 22 points from the last close. The USD INR exchange rate was 71.015 rupees per dollar, up about 21 paise from the last close. The yield on the 10-year Indian GSEC stayed flat at 6.792%. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. As always, I request your help in spreading the word about this podcast to your family, friends, and colleagues. If you have any thoughts or feedback, please write to me at justnewspodcast@gmail.com. That's justnewspodcast@gmail.com. Hope you'll join me again for tomorrow's episode. Bye-bye.